Welcome to Our Sweet Home Life. Mojo and I are just in here fixing up some lunch, and I'm making some tomato cucumber salad. So I've got bell pepper, cucumbers, olives, onions, and tomatoes in this. Can't hardly see my tomatoes because they're on the bottom, but I do have some in there. Trying to get some of these tomatoes to the top where you can see them. But we have tomatoes in there, see them? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some of this Italian dressing and pour over that and let them marinate. So I believe all I need is some oil and some vinegar, and mix that with this seasoning mix and pour over it and let it marinate a little bit, and it's going to be nothing but good. Okay, in this measuring cup, I have 1/4 of a cup vinegar, 3 tablespoons of water, and then I'm going to put the mix in and stir that up good, and then you put 1/2 cup of oil.